Welcome to our tutorial on how to get started with Purse Plus, your gateway to earning rewards directly from your Chrome browser. Follow these simple steps to enhance your browsing experience and start collecting rewards today. Step 1. Installation. Begin by visiting the official Purse Twitter page. Look for the link to install the Purse Plus extension and click on it. This link will take you directly to the Chrome web store. Once there, click on Add to Chrome to install the Purse Plus extension. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Select Add Extension to proceed. Step 2. Pinning the extension. After installation, you might need to pin Purse Plus to your browser's toolbar for easy access. Click on the puzzle icon at the top right of Chrome to view all extensions. Find Purse Plus in the list and click the pin icon next to it. This ensures that the Purse Plus icon is always visible on your browser toolbar. Step 3. Activating Purse Plus. Navigate to the Twitter account you wish to integrate with Purse Plus. Once there, click on the Purse Plus icon located at the top right corner of your browser to open the application. Within the Purse Plus interface, you'll find a Start button. Clicking on this will initiate the process. If this is your first time using Purse Plus, you will need to authorize the application to interact with your Twitter account. Click on Authorize App to grant the necessary permissions. Step 4. Entering the invitation code. Upon authorization, enter the invitation code you've received from your referrer into the designated field and click Start. This action unlocks the main dashboard where you'll find various tasks to earn FUGU points. Step 5. Completing tasks. Each task comes with a Go button. Click on it to start a task. And once completed, click on the Check button to confirm completion. A Done icon will appear next to each task you've successfully completed, indicating your progress. Step 6. Claiming quest rewards. After completing the main tasks, you'll unlock the quest reward. Open this section to claim your 100 FUGU points reward. These points are crucial for participating in daily draws. Step 7. Exploring additional rewards. With your FUGU points, you can immediately start participating in daily draws, where you will win tokens. Keep an eye on upcoming opportunities as well, ensuring you never miss out on maximizing your points. Step 8. Managing Purse Plus. Use the toggle arrow within the Purse Plus app to easily open and close the application. This feature ensures a smooth browsing experience without interrupting your browsing experience. Here's the magic. You can actually gain FUGU while browsing X2. Step 9. Sharing and earning more. Lastly, visit the pinned Purse Plus extension to retrieve your unique invitation code. Share this code with friends to earn additional points when they join Purse Plus. This not only helps you accumulate more points, but also expands the Purse Plus community. That's it. You're now ready to make the most out of your online activities with Purse Plus. Follow these steps to seamlessly integrate rewards into your browsing experience. Happy FUGU!